the best ways to make money online is by becoming a YouTube content creator. I know you must have known this by now because with YouTube, you can make thousands of dollars or even millions of dollars every single month from the comfort of your home. But the problem with this is that it's a lot of work because you have to come up with a video idea, and then you have to come up with title, and then you have to come up with a script. You have to film the video, and then you have to edit the video, which takes forever. And then you upload and then repeat, and it gets tiring. And the other alternative to starting a successful YouTube channel is by using AI, which I also have a problem with because you use a different AI to generate the script, and then use a different AI to generate the voiceover, and then you have to use a different AI to generate the character that you're going to use, and then use a different AI to piece it all together, and then you have to pay separately for each of the platforms that you're going to be using. Now, this whole process is one of the major reasons why a lot of people shy away from becoming a YouTube content creator. But what if I tell you that you don't have to worry about that anymore, because there is a new AI that lets you generate an amazing video in less than 1 minute using one single prompt, and that AI is InVideo AI. Now, with this AI tool, you don't need to worry about the voiceover, you don't need to worry about scripts. Now, all you have to do is to come up with a good prompt, put the prompt in the platform, and it's going to generate an amazing video for you. And with this, you can generate multiple videos in a single day. In fact, you can even generate up to 50 videos in less than 1 hour. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer. Let me walk you through the process of how to come up with a good prompt and how to use this platform to make a lot of money on YouTube. Now, let's dive in. Now, to start your YouTube journey, the first thing you need to do is to come up with a niche for your YouTube channel, because they say the riches is in the niches. So you're going to come up with a niche. And for me, for this case, I'm going to be going with a relationship niche, right? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and generate topics. And to do that, I'm going to be using our favorite, and that is ChatGPT. Give me video topic ideas for a relationship niche that will get over 1 million clicks. And as you can see here, ChatGPT went ahead to give me 20 amazing topics that are most likely going to be clicked by you or any other person that comes across it on YouTube, right? So now that we have gotten the topics out of the way, the next thing we're going to do is to generate a prompt that we're going to be using on our InVideo platform. So to do that, all you have to do is to come over to ChatGPT. I've taught this before. I've done a tutorial on this before. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so that you can learn how you can generate prompts using ChatGPT. That is, ChatGPT can come up with amazing prompts for you, so you don't need to start thinking on how to come up with prompts and all that. ChatGPT can actually do that for you. All you need to do is to train ChatGPT, and it's going to be giving you prompts whenever you need it. And that is exactly what I did here. As you can see, I had to train ChatGPT to come up with an amazing prompt for me, and we had a couple of discussions, as you can see here, and finally it came up with this prompt, which is amazing. And that is the exact same prompt that we're going to be using to generate our videos on InVideo platform. Don't worry about it though, because I'm going to be leaving it in the description for you. All you have to do is to just copy and paste it. But just in case you need more customization or you need to generate yours, I will recommend that you watch that tutorial to learn exactly how you can generate prompts and use that on your InVideo platform. Because if you use a whack prompt, you're going to get a not so good video. So be sure to come up with a very good prompt so that you can get a very amazing, outstanding video that is going to give you all the views that you seek. So now that we know the niche for our channel and we have topics that we're going to use, and we have even generated a prompt that we're going to be using on InVideo platform, let's go over to InVideo and sign up and start the magic. So come over to your browser and type in invideo.io/AI. Create videos with AI Copilot. And the next thing you're going to do is to go over and click on sign up. So now that we're here, the next thing you're going to do is to sign up with your normal email account, or you can sign up with your Gmail account, whichever one works perfectly. And now that we have signed up on InVideo AI, the next thing we're going to do is to copy our prompt, paste it, and it's going to generate a video for you. The interesting part of this is you can do it to your mobile phone, you can do it anywhere in the world, and it's going to generate multiple videos for you in less than 2 minutes. And I'm going to show you how amazing this is. I'm sorry I'm overly excited about this because I know what it takes to run a YouTube channel. I own 11 YouTube channels, and it's not easy coming up with the whole ideas, having to manage the team. The team are actually large. Coming up with your ideas and managing the team is not a child's play. It takes a lot. So learning about this AI and having to generate a video with a single prompt in less than 2 minutes, it's amazing. And that is why I had to bring it to you first before it becomes very expensive and you can no longer afford it. So now let's get on with the business. And that is pasting our prompt. So here you can see the raw prompt that ChatGPT generated from me. So you're going to go ahead and edit this prompt and fill in all the brackets so that you can get the best result. And I've done that here. And I'm going to give you everything in this document in the description below. All you have to do after watching this video is to go ahead and find the links in the description to have access to this prompt, have access to how you can generate your own prompts using ChatGPT, and also how you can sign up with InVideo AI. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to simply copy this prompt and come over to InVideo platform and paste it. Very simple, like this. So now that we have our prompt ready, the next thing we're going to do is to click on generate a video, and it's going to take a few seconds to generate the video and you're good to go. It's so amazing that you no longer have to worry about voiceover. You no longer have to worry about coming up with script. You no longer have to worry about editing. That is the major part. You no longer have to worry about all that. And now our InVideo is asking us a question, and that is for us to select our audience, whether you want young adults, couples, or therapists. This will let it know the kind of videos and pictures to use, the tone, and everything. So we're going to go over and use young adults, look and feel, let it look professional, and then the platform we're going to be using is YouTube. So this is amazing. We're going to go ahead and click on continue, and then the magic begins. It's like having a magic wand and, actually saying abracadabra, and poof, and then the video appears. That is actually what this platform is making me feel, because, come on.
2 seconds later.
And now, as you can see here, our video is ready and it's looking amazing. Don't worry about the watermark here. It's going to be removed when you want to export the video. So now let's play the video and see how it looks.
Ever wondered how some people seem to always end up in toxic relationships while others always seem to find the perfect partner? Well, one key factor is the ability to spot.
Now, if you want to watch the full clip and see how it plays out, I'm going to be playing the video by the end of this video so that you can get to watch it and see how it flows, and you can listen to the voiceover. It's very perfect. So let's say you love the video, but there's something you want to change or add to the video. All you have to do is to come over here. No need for editing. You don't have to do editing because this platform will do all the magic for you. It doesn't want you to stress. You don't have to stress anymore. So all you have to do is to come over here and give it a command of what you want to change, add, or remove, and it's going to do just that for you. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to tell you to include, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for awesome videos like this. And as I'm telling the AI, I'm also telling you. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, just as I've told the AI. And now that you have this, all you have to do is to click on generate, and it's going to go into the video, turn it around, and make the edits and present it to you. It's amazing. Now you can have up to 50 YouTube channels without feeling it, because all you have to do is to use this platform, generate your videos, upload it on YouTube, repeat the same thing. So every day you can actually generate up to 50 videos, share it across your channels, and go to sleep. And then you do the same thing the next day, and then the next day. If you do it for 30 days consecutively, there's nothing on earth that will stop you from earning at least a minimum of $5,000 every single month across your channels. Try this and thank me later. And now, just like magic, the AI has made the changes that we want. But let's say you want to delete some scenes or add some scenes, or there are some pictures or videos that were used that you want to change to yours. And all you have to do that is to simply come over here, click on edit, and then you're going to select whatever scene that you want to be changed, whether this one, any scene that you want to change. And then you're going to see replace media, and all you have to do is to click on upload media to upload your own media. And once you are done with that, it's going to replace that particular scene with your own video. How cool is this? And also, even if you don't have a picture or video that that you want to use and replace that particular scene, you can also come over here and search for any type of video. Anyhow you want it, you're going to get that video here. So I'm going to search a working class lady in an office, and here you can see the result. It has given me the working class lady in an office. Just scroll down and pick anyone that you want to use to replace that particular scene. Just like this one, if you just click on replace, it's going to automatically replace it, and then you're going to click on apply, and it's going to apply it in the video, and you're good to go. Now, how cool is this? So now that we have done with all the edits or changes that we want to do on the video, the next thing we're going to do is to export it. But let's say you don't like the entire video and you want to generate another video. It's very simple. All you have to do is to come over here and click on regenerate, and it's going to regenerate the entire video for you, the entire script, the entire voiceover, every single thing is going to regenerate it in less than 60 seconds. Now, how cool is this? And now that we're done and we're ready and we love the video the way it is, the next thing we're going to do is to just click on export to export our video. So now you have this option to export in 4K, 720p, or 1080p, depending on your choice. But to do well on YouTube, you have to just export as 1080p, and then select the type of watermarks, no watermarks. Select in video AI branding, none. So you don't want AI branding, you don't want watermarks, and you're going to select 1080p, and you're good to go. So all you have to do is to click on continue. Now the video is ready for download, and as you can see, it has removed the watermark. How cool is this? And the interesting part of it is that it also gives you a timestamp that you can put on YouTube, and all you have to do is to come over here and copy this timestamp and paste it on your YouTube description, and you're good to go, so that your viewers can just jump to the session that they want to watch or the session that they want to rewatch and click on it, and then it takes them directly to the part of the video. How cool is this? You can get started with InVideo AI for free, but if you're serious about content creation and uploading videos without watermark and making money on YouTube, then I highly recommend that you upgrade to the paid plan, which starts from $20. And as you can see, this is actually the plan that I'm using. You can see the current plan. I've subscribed to this platform, and that is what I'm currently using to run my multiple Faceless YouTube channels. Now, for me, this has saved me a lot of money, because paying $20 per month and you're getting multiple videos every single month, as against paying hundreds of dollars on Fiverr to get people to create just one video for you. I mean, compare the two, right? So this InVideo AI is a lifesaver. Why don't you go ahead and give it a try and thank me later?
As we've seen from these real-world examples, recognizing red flags in relationships is crucial. We've journeyed through the lives of those who've encountered the control freak, the emotional manipulator, and the narcissist. Each story was unique, but they all shared common threads of manipulation and control, serving as stark reminders of the importance of vigilance and self-awareness in our relationships. Let's recap the key first: the control freak, who uses dominance and authority to wield power over their partner. This behavior stifles growth and fosters dependency. Then, we have the emotional manipulator, who uses guilt and confusion as weapons to keep their partners off balance and unsure. And lastly, the narcissist, who uses charm and charisma to draw their partners in, only to reveal a self-centered and unempathetic nature. But we must remember, understanding these red flags is not about pointing fingers or blaming. It's about fostering self-love and self-respect. It's about knowing your worth and refusing to settle for any form of mistreatment. It's about recognizing unhealthy patterns early on and making the difficult yet necessary decision to protect your emotional well-being. Remember, a relationship should enhance your life, not drain it. Don't ignore the red flags. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Stay safe, and remember, you deserve a healthy, loving relationship. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
Now, this is the next video that YouTube recommends that you should watch on this channel. Go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao!